Chairman of MGM Worldwide Television Group and producer of Eco Challenge, Mr. Mark Burnett. It was such a great pleasure to meet you today. Series host, Mr. Bear Grylls, executives of both MGM Television and Amazon, captains and members of the teams who are present here, invited guests, production crew, ladies and gentlemen, children who are present here. Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I must say at the outset that the weather has really blessed the day. Generally, if it was pouring, we wouldn't be sitting like this outdoor. So I think it's a very good start for Eco Challenge. There are a lot of things we pride ourselves as a nation, and as the heart of the South Pacific, Fiji is blessed with over 300 tropical islands. These islands are home to happiness and some of the most hospitable people you'll ever meet. Each of our islands is lined with white sandy beaches wrapped around the coasts. We have landscapes of lush tropical forests and vegetation spread across the interiors with rugged terrains, breathtaking marine life, waterfalls, and surf. So there's a lot to be proud and thankful for. But what we equally pride ourselves in is how far we have come to where we are today as a modern, progressive, and resilient economy. One that has the ability to bring together so many people through a single event like Eco Challenge. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your new second home and to the launch of Eco Challenge Fiji. To our visitors from around the world, Bulavinaka, and welcome to Fiji. We're excited to be part of this race and have you be part of what to us is a significant milestone in terms of Fiji's tourism and audiovisual industry. Eco Challenge has come back to Fiji after 17 years, and for those of us who aren't fully aware, Eco Challenge is an ultimate expedition race where international teams of adventure athletes will race non-stop 24 hours a day. This year, there are over 60 teams from 30 countries participating. Eco Challenge Fiji reaffirms Fiji's status as an adventure tourism destination. And for that, once again, I want to thank Mark Burnett. Hosting it in Fiji just gives us another way of showing the world that Fiji is more than just the beautiful beaches and surfs. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to tourism, this event is elevating Fiji's position as an ideal place for audiovisual productions. We're proud to be home to Survivor US for the past 8 seasons. Fiji has been featured in the US media extensively, and with Eco Challenge, we expect to increase that reach further and create more interest for productions in Fiji. In the last 5 years, Fiji has hosted 362 productions with a total value of around 897 million. In 2018 alone, Fiji hosted 106 productions valued at $265 million. This production spent of $120 million directly went into the Fijian economy and generated new economic activity levels of $336 million. This year has kicked off with a bang, and I'm happy to say the first half of the year alone has already hosted $102 million worth of productions. Needless to say, this year is going to be busier, and with more production scheduled for the second half of this year, we're looking at another record-breaking year for the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government continues to encourage audiovisual productions with the best film rebate incentive in the world of 75% for all costs incurred in Fiji. This announcement was made in our last budget, looking at the trend. The incentive has been successful in attracting major productions, and we are committed and confident that Fiji will become the most desired location for filmmakers all over the world. We will continue to tell the world of the wonderful opportunities we have on offer. That is the world's best tax incentives and the world's best locations, and we urge you all to do the same. I can assure you all that the Fijian government will continue its support for the industries. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, we are here to launch what is considered as one of the world's toughest race, Eco Challenge Fiji, right here in the center of Fiji, which is southern Tailevu. I wish to acknowledge and thank once again Mark Bennett. Mark is no stranger to Fiji. He was the producer of the Eco Challenge shot here back in 2002 and US Survivor in 2006. Mark, we appreciate your confidence in the Fijian film industry and for your continued support. This support has no doubt helped Fiji to rapidly go through a steep learning curve and to come to grips with a very complex but exciting industry. Ladies and gentlemen, I also acknowledge the presence of the host and one of the executive producers, Mr. Bear Grylls. He starred in 7 seasons of the Discovery Channel's Emmy Award-nominated Man vs. Wild television series, which was one of the most watched shows of all time, reaching an estimated 1.2 billion viewers. We are so excited to work alongside Mr. Grylls and Eco Challenge. A big Vinaka Vakalevu also to the many people who helped bring Eco Challenge to Fiji. We took the decision by MGM and Amazon to come to Fiji seriously and ensured that all approvals were swiftly facilitated. A joint government audiovisual task force committee was formed in February this year to facilitate the needs of this production. To all our local partners that have worked tirelessly to ensure we get all the necessary paperwork in order for the race to commence tomorrow, thank you for that. Members of the Joint Government AV Task Force and its chairperson, the Permanent Secretary Office of the Prime Minister, your commitment and facilitation is appreciated. I pay respect and thank the landowners who have given their consent for the use of the land. And I thank Film Fiji for the hard work in making this a reality. Executives of both MGM and Amazon crew, please enjoy your stay. I'm aware that there are 2 local teams competing, and they are Team Namaka and Team Tambusoro. To the 2 teams, give the other visiting teams a good run for their money and taste of Fijian strength. To the 60 teams, to the 66 teams that will compete in the race, I wish you all the very best. I hope you enjoy the different locations, people, and culture that you meet and experience during your stay. At the end of the race, I want you to enjoy the Fijian hospitality and unique attractions the country has to offer and make lifelong friends. Ladies and gentlemen, with these words, I once again wish the participating teams all the very best and may the best team win. Vinaka Vakalevu, Dhanyawad.
So doing the honors, and of course, is the honor of the government and the people of Fiji. And of course, thank you, Mark Bernier.